update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened weak today, however it stabilized around the 20-day simple moving average and has closed with a gain of 23-point gain in today's trading session. The advance decline ratio was negative though, with 697 advances to 831 declines. This is majorly on the back of some mid and small cap stocks which closed in the negative today. The small cap index was down 0.16% and the mid cap index was down 0.4% in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the positive for the fourth consecutive day in today's trading session. It opened weak, however it took support at the 20-day simple moving average and closed above that, which is a good sign for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. However, on the if we look at the retracement, it is trading exactly at the 61.8% key Fibonacci retracement level. So if in coming trading sessions we get a dip, then that should be considered as a buying opportunity and traders can go long at dips. The daily momentum indicator today has given a positive crossover. Though we are trading at a resistance, the daily momentum indicator now has a positive crossover. So if we get a dip, that should be considered as a buying opportunity, as the momentum indicator has a buy crossover. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty from the lows of 7420 has been rising in an upward sloping channel. It is trading above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. Today, even though after opening week it took support around the 20-day simple moving average, the 20 and the 40 hourly moving averages also were placed at the similar levels, and so these are crucial supports which the Nifty has to hold on if it has to continue its upward positive momentum. Crucial supports are placed at 7620 and 7598. On the upside, 7730 and 7800 are crucial resistances. Our view on the Nifty remains positive. Any dip is a buying opportunity. Today we have got a daily positive momentum crossover, so which adds to the positive momentum on the upside. The 71.6% retracement level is a crucial level to watch out for, and if we in the coming trading sessions we get a dip, because the hourly momentum indicator still has a negative crossover, so even if we get a dip, that should be considered as a buying opportunity. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty has closed in the positive today above the 20-day simple moving average. Today more ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, IndusInd Bank were some of the major movers in trade today, while State Bank of India on the other hand closed in a negative. So there was a mixed bag in the banking sector stocks. However, considering the weightage of ICICI Bank, Axis Bank in the Bank Nifty, they moved pretty much in today's trading session. So so the Bank Nifty also has closed with gains today. We expect the positive momentum in Bank Nifty to continue. We expect levels of 15,600 and 15,730 on the upside. On the downside, 15,220 and 15,129 are crucial supports for Bank Nifty. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. We expect the positive momentum in Nifty to continue. If we get a dip around the 20-day simple moving average or the hourly moving averages which are placed at 7620 and 7598, then that should be considered as a buying opportunity. That's all for the day. Thank you.